Howdy y'all, welcome back to Gunsnbbq. So I am excited to present an unboxing from one badass named Ghost Tactical. This is my Patreon unboxing. Something happened with the first one, I guess. Don't know. Got a hold of Ghost because I'd been a patron for like 4 or 6 months. It's been a while. And I was like, hey Ghost, you ever send that? And he's like, yeah, like right after you became a patron. And I was like, oh shit, I never got it. And really, that's on me because I should have said something a long time ago. And I have a really bad habit of being like, oh, I should mention this, and then I never remember to. But so, big shout out to Ghost for sending this stuff again. Got it this time, and I am super excited. So we're going to kick it off with the Ghost Tactical patch. This is freaking awesome. PVC patch. It's got his logo. Just totally kick-ass. What more do I need to say? We got some sort of Ghost Tactical card here. I'm not 100% what it says. It's far too small for my terribly shitty eyes. If anybody can clue me in on that, it would be greatly appreciated. We got another patch. I'm not sure if Ghost realizes how much I love patches or not, but if he did, awesome, thank you. And if not, well, if you're watching this, Ghost, kick ass, thank you. So this one looks like a warthog. This one, I wish I knew what this was for. If anybody knows, please leave it in the comments. Looks like a parachute, and it's in a pentagon shape. Really cool patch. So, like I said, if anybody knows what that is for, I would greatly appreciate being filled in. Got a Ghost Tactical sticker. We got a Gun Channels magnet. That is freaking sweet. I can't tell you how excited I am about that. One day I'm going to get away from my FUD safes, meaning gun cabinets, and actually get a real safe, and I'm going to have something to stick all these cool magnets that I'm getting to. So thank you for that, Ghost. We got a Midwest Industries sticker. And last but not least, we've got a Riker sticker. Pretty freaking cool stuff here. If you like what you see here, go over to Ghost Tactical's Patreon page, become a patron of them. I have no idea what tier level I am. I think I'm like a $10 a month tier. And this is the goodies that it gets you. Yeah. So, anyways, go check out Ghost. Like I said, badass dude. I doubt anybody that's watching my channel has not heard of him. Because, well, he's got like 20,000 or 30,000 subscribers, and I've got 200. So, anyways, keep your guns firing, your smoking. Please help me out in the comments with what those couple patches were that I cannot figure out. And hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you all later. Thank you.